Hello, and welcome to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 16th, and we are going to be planting Figaro mixed dahlia seeds, and we are also going to be planting the Seeker mix stastic. Now, I'm probably going to have to cut the video into two different videos, so I will leave links below for each, for the opposite of whatever video you would be watching. So I just wanted to tell you that. Okay, so my seed starting mix that I'm using is the Jiffy Organic Seed Starting Mix. And I have my water here. And we're just going to mix this together here. I recommend using warm or hot water when you mix your seed starting mix. And you want it a nice consistency. We don't want our mix to be soupy. So we're just going to mix it up here. And then we're actually going to be planting these in cell packs. Now I have planted the stastic and Jiffy peat pellets already, which I probably am going to be doing some in those as well. And I had really good results with those in the Jiffy peat pellets. So we're just going to go through and get our soil mixed up here. And I like to get an early start on my seeds. I'm in Pennsylvania, so I do have a shorter growing season. So that's why I start some of my stuff early, because I want it blooming earlier, so I get the most blooms and color. You know, they're real nice sized plants for when they go outside. Okay, this is a nice consistency here for our soil. It's not overly wet, it's not soupy, it's not saturated. It's a really nice texture. So I'm going to get my cell pack here, and I had some soil left over from another project that I did, so I had already put some in the pack here, and we're just going to put our soil in here. And I know some people, they actually fill their cell packs up with the dry seed starting mix, and you know, they pack it in and then they put it in water for it to soak up. I've never had any luck with that. I've tried and tried with that method, so this is what works for me. So this is how I do mine, and I will get the rest of our cell packs filled, and we'll come back and we'll start planting our seeds then. Okay, so we're back, and I got my cell packs here all filled with the seed starting mix soil, and we're going to be planting the Figaro mixed dahlias. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. And I'm going to be doing one seed per cell on these. You can also plant these in 2-inch containers. I just am choosing not to do that. That's what we'll transplant them into. But I'm not going to do that right now. So these are what dahlia seeds look like. And this one here is not a good seed. They should not even have sent that one. Flaky. I don't think it's any good on that one. That's a shame. You can usually tell the seeds that are good because they're going to be nice and plump. If you get one that's like paper thin, your chances of it working for you are very slim. You can try and plant it. So these need 75 degrees to germinate, and their germination is in 7 to 20 days. and we're going to start planting these. Now this one here, this mix here, it gets 12 to 14 inches tall, and it's has a little double and semi-double 2.5 to 3 inch flowers, so it's not going to be like one of your big dinner plate dahlias. So I got this one here planted up, and when I finish planting the rest of them, we're going to come back and I'm going to show you what to do with them. Okay, so we're back, and I got these seeds put in here. I was a little disturbed about the quality of those seeds, but we're going to see what comes up for us. So we want to give these a light covering, very light, and hopefully I'm pretty sure we're going to get some to come up, but I can't say that they're all going to come up. They weren't the best seeds. So, okay, so we have these on here, and I'm going to take a spray bottle and spray over top to get the seed wet and to get that top layer that we just put on wet. You can soak these in a tray of warm water if you would like to get that top coating wet, but I'm just going to spray them here. Whoops. Okay, so these need 75 degrees to germinate, and actually after seeing the seeds it explains why I had issues germinating these before. It wasn't that I did anything wrong, it was the seed quality. So I have grown dahlias from seed already. I've grown the Irwin's dwarf mixture, and they did fine for me. So hopefully, you know, we got some good ones here, and we'll just have to wait and see. So I'm going to put these in our grow boxes after I label them, because you always want to label your plantings. And I use the plastic markers, and then I use pencil on them so I can just erase it and reuse the same markers over again. So when I get these over into the growing area, we'll come back. Okay, so we're back, and I got these put in an enclosed container. This is going to help keep the heat and the humidity in, the moisture. They need 75 degrees to germinate. So this fluorescent light up here is on for 14 hours a day, and this light is what heats these boxes up. Normally I will put these on like a heating mat or something like that, or we actually have radiant heat in the floor, and I've used that for years, but I went a different direction this year, and these grow boxes really seem to work nice for me. So hopefully, you know, I'm pretty sure we had some good seeds, so when they start coming up, I will come back with another video and I'll show you what they look like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. And please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. And thank yous for watching my video, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.